Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can customize your font settings in Proton Mail. This is useful if you want your emails to look professional or match your personal style. So once you log into your Proton Mail, you will just have to go to your settings, which is right here. Click all settings and you will just have to wait for it to load. And now that you're here, click appearance and you will just have to scroll down a little until you see font family and font size. So what you will have to do in order to customize it is, of course, just click on it and then you can now choose your desired font style or your font size. If you want it to be very large, then just go ahead and click that, or you can just choose from any of this. So yeah, that's basically how you can do it, and just choose any, and for example small, and for example large. So yeah, you it's really up to you what you want, and yeah, just select your desired font. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.